All right. So, one of my friends recently went to UK and decided to do a little shopping, and thought I'll make a video about the things I got and why I got them. First things first, I let me just check. Yeah. So I got these gloves from UK. These are these goes well with my leather jacket. In terms of safety, these are not. I don't think these are as safe as the one that I currently have, which is the Vietera Grid. But yeah, these are perforated and they look really cool. I can use them for casual riding, and I always wanted a casual riding gloves, and these were on discount on the Urban Rider website, UK. So I went ahead and ordered them. Yeah. So it fits great. I can show you how it fits. So it goes really well, and yeah, perfect fitting. Can't wait to test them on the next vlog. I'll share more feedback on how it actually feels when I ride with them in the next video. But for now, great. Excited to use them on the next ride. Yeah. Not exactly an essential, right? But there are some more essential items that I got from UK. Just get right to it. The brake pads. So the reason I got these brake pads is because changing the brake pads in India is very expensive. So if you want to get the front pads changed, just the front disc pads, it's going to cost you around 25,000 rupees, which is very expensive. But I got a pair. A single pair costs me about 4,000 rupees. So if I want to change the front disc pads entirely, it's gonna set me back by 9,000 rupees compared to 25,000 rupees. If you're changing it in India, right? So there was also a discount running. So all in all, I got all of these brake pads for about maybe 25k in total. So I'm sorted for the next 3 years, I think, with these pads. So saves a lot of money. This is very important and essential. And yeah, these are the front pads. These are the front pads. Yeah, and these are the rear pads. And you need 2 sets to change the front pads. Considering mine is a twin disc, I need 2 sets to change once. Right? It's a very expensive affair. And the next one is a little non-essential, not exactly something to do with what is exactly needed to me right now, but it's something that I have a small repaint project in mind, and these black levers from Tech Bike. It's also another company that makes really high quality parts. So I needed a black lever, but the one that is offered in Triumph is insanely expensive, approximately 15 to 16k. This costs me about, I think, 4k for a set. So that is like very reasonably priced, very high quality, very solid, heavy. So I can't wait to use them. But I won't be installing them right away. I'll wait for my project to complete, the repaint project to complete, and then I will install them. Yeah. So just another item that I got. I'll just keep them aside. And the next one I got is the tail tidy. I always felt that the tail tidy in the stock tail tidy is a little too long. If you notice, there is an extension that goes from here till all the way like longer, right? So I wanted a shorter one, and this is also from the same company that made the brake levers, right? Brake and clutch levers. So I will install them along with my repaint project. Not right now, yeah, but I want them. This is not available in India, so I have to get them from UK. And there's another item from the same company, Tech. I got was the scum plate, Scumguard, we can call it. this one. I already have one installed from Triumph, and I mean, thanks to roads, the one that I have right now has already taken a significant amount of hits. So I'll have to change them sooner, and this are not as expensive as the one that Triumph offered. The one that I paid 11K for it, the one I have, which is the original Triumph, and this one is solid and as strong as the, I mean, if not better than the one that I already have. But unfortunately, once again, this is not available in India, so I had to get it from UK. So, all right, now let's talk about the last item, which is also an item that I was searching for a very long time. It is the padded innerwear, padded underwear, and knee pads. Yeah. Okay, cool. So I know Rhinox has that padded innerwear, but unfortunately the leggings does not have a kneecap. I don't know why they did not include a kneecap. It only has your spinal and your hip protectors. They don't have a knee protector. I don't know why. So I got them. I saw them. They had a great deal going on, and Nox is a very good brand. They are known for making armors, and this is very flexible. You can just wear it inside your pants, and you can wear whatever pant you want on top of it. So this is definitely something that I wanted for a long time, because I've tried multiple riding jeans, and I'm not a huge fan of any of them. I know Rhinox makes really good jeans, but it's just too long. Something is wrong with the fitting. I was not very happy with it. So with this, I just need to wear this inside and wear whatever I want on top of it. Probably a cargo pant with more pockets that goes well with my jacket, something like that, right? And I also got the hip protector. So same thing. You can wear it inside your pants, and then you're sorted. You can wear whatever you want on top of it. So it has your hip, thigh, and your spine, tailbone protector, right? So all in all, it was a shopping fest, and looking forward to using them all on my next ride. So until then, and once again, thanks Deepak for carrying it all the way from UK to India. I'll make it up in the next ride with by sponsoring breakfast. Thank you, and thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.